Another issue I'm having is with the thing starting. I don't think it's the starter because it's not acting like it's wanting to start. It's just, it sounds like it's something electrical. Like I'll try to start it right here. Watch it start on the first try. See, it just clicks. Now it starts. But sometimes I'll have to do that, turn the key like 10, 15 times and it'll just click. But it's not actually wanting to start. So it kind of leads me to believe that it's not the starter and it's probably something electrical. So a lot of times I'll have to turn the key 10, 15 times, just do that one little click and it won't start and doesn't even act like it's going to start. So that's kind of why I don't think it has anything to do with the starter, and it may be like a starting relay or something to do with electrical. So if you have any idea, please let me know. And yeah. Another issue I'm having is anytime I turn anything on, whether it be the headlights, the air conditioner, the air conditioner doesn't work, but as long as if I turn it on or the fan on, if I turn on the radio, all of my gauges move. So I did a little research and it sounds like it's, from what I read, it could be a bad ground wire that's not fully connected. And I did find a ground wire that's cut, so I'm hoping that's the issue. But like as you can see, all of my gauges, I don't think the oil pressure gauge is very accurate. But let's see, I'll turn on my headlights. You'll see the gauges jump. Let me turn on the radio, or let me turn on the fan. You see the oil pressure gauge went. Turn on the radio. No, they didn't jump for that. But let me turn. So I don't know how accurate these gauges are as far as these two. These two jump. These don't really jump that much. Yeah, it seems it's just the oil pressure and the temperature gauge. So if you have any ideas or suggestions, please let me know. Like I said, I think that's a ground wire, at least I'm hoping. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, I found that wire. I've already taken apart. It had a connector on it, but it looked like the battery had moved at some point and it just broke the wire apart. So I've already got new wire, another connector, so I'm gonna try that first and hopefully that solves this issue. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, please let me know.